Hello friends, my name is Nisha and I welcome you to my channel NISHA COMPUTER ACADEmy. Today's video is about how to create a flying balloons and names in MS PowerPoint 2007. In this video, I will tell you the steps for creating the flying balloons and names in PowerPoint in a very simple manner. The process is same for the PowerPoint 2007, 2013, 2016. After seeing this video, you can create flying balloons and names in your presentation. The flying balloons and names will look like this. Okay friends, now continue to the MS PowerPoint. Friends, you have to import the images from the Google by typing images of balloons. Select the balloons which you want to present in your presentation and save them. Okay friends, let's continue the MS PowerPoint. First take this slide, go to layout and select blank option. Then the slide will be blank. Now click on the insert tab. Then click on the picture. Select the images of the balloons and then click on insert. This process will be repeated to all the images. Now select the picture. Go to the Format tab. Click on the Recolor. Then click on the Set Transparent Color. Then click on the picture to remove the background of the image. This process will be repeated to all the images. Now click on the Home tab. Click on Select and then click on the selection pane. Then the names of all the images will appear. Click on the each name and rename with the balloon color or the name which you want. That makes easy in the custom animation. After changing the names of all the pictures, go to the animation and click on custom animation. The custom animation will appear. Now take all the balloons which you want to make them fly and place them in the bottom of the slide. Select one balloon, then in custom animation, click on add effect, then click on motion paths. Then select up. Then the balloon will move upward direction. Now click on the arrow and drag to upward direction until you reach the top of this slide. And then leave it. The process will repeat to all the balloons. If you want to make the bunch to move in the cross direction, then place the arrow in the diagonal shape. Now select the first animation in the custom animation, and then in start select the previous, and in speed select very slow. The same process will be repeated to all the balloons which are being animated. Now again select the first animation in the custom animation. Then click on the drop down arrow. Select Show Advanced Timeline. Here the timeline will appear. You can make the delay of the time in the appearance of the balloons. Delay of the time in the appearance of the balloons in the animation. By moving the bar, you can delay the time. The process is same for all the balloons. Now again select the first animation in the custom animation. Then click on the drop down arrow, select timings. In repeat, click on until end of the slide and then click OK. The process will be same for all the presentations. Now, if you want to place this arch of the balloons, then you have to import image from the net and place it on the slide. And then click on the Format tab and click on Send to Back. For this arch, you will not apply any animation. If you want to type the text, then click on the Text button, which is in Shapes. If you want to type the text, then click on the Text button, which is in the Shapes, and then type the text which you want and increase the size, change the style and color, place it in the center or where you want. select the text and click on the custom animation. Click on add effect and then click on the entrance and select rise up. If you want, you can delay the time, and the process is same which you have done before for the balloons. If you want to change the background color, then go to the design and select the style which you want in the background. Now click on the slideshow. Then your presentation will start. Then it looks like this. That's it friends, you can create a flying balloons and names for your presentation. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.